Good evening and welcome to National Broadcasting News India, tonight's news update. Here are the top stories. Two women arrested with 7 kg of ganja in Ernakulam. Two women, Geetanjali Behra and Swarnalata, were caught with 7 kg of ganja at a KSRTC bus in Ernakulam. They were arrested by Perumbavoor ASP-led team after receiving a tip-off. The duo allegedly smuggled the contraband in a specially wrapped bag. Investigation is ongoing. Dileep's appeal in actress attack case to be heard. The Kerala High Court will consider actor Dileep's appeal for a CBI investigation in the 2017 actress assault case. Dileep, the eighth accused, claims bias in the state police's probe. The court had previously questioned the need for a CBI probe. Factionalism erupts in Samasta over exclusion. A faction in Samasta has begun protesting the exclusion of Asghar Ali Faizi, a member of Samasta Mushawara and teacher at Patikad, Jamia Nooria Arabia. The exclusion has sparked strong opposition with a protest meeting scheduled for 5:30 p.m. in Perindalmanna. Malgaon blast case. Judge transferred. Judge A.K. Lahoti presiding over the 2008 Malgaon blast case involving Pragya Singh Thakur has been transferred to Nashik from Mumbai. This is the fifth judicial change in the 17-year-old case, raising concerns about potential delays. JDU faces turmoil over Waqf bill support. The Janata Dal United Party, led by Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, is experiencing internal conflict over its support for the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Five senior Muslim leaders have resigned in protest, citing concerns about the bill's impact on Muslim rights and the party's secular image. Security tightened in Kashmir ahead of Amit Shah's visit. Security measures have been heightened across Kashmir ahead of Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit. Shah is on a two-day visit to review security measures and hold meetings with officials and BJP leaders. Global stock market plummets amidst Trump tariff concerns. A global stock market bloodbath has unfolded with the Dow Jones and S&P futures plummeting sharply amid concerns over US President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs. The tariffs have sparked fears of a global trade war and economic slowdown. Supreme Court upholds bail for journalists accused of spying. The Supreme Court has dismissed an appeal by the Delhi police to cancel the bail granted to journalist Rajiv Sharma, who was accused of spying for Chinese intelligence and processing classified documents related to national security. Saudi Arabia imposes visa ban on 14 countries including India. Saudi Arabia has temporarily suspended visa issuance for citizens of 14 countries including India ahead of the Hajj pilgrimage. The ban, effective until mid-June 2025, applies to Umrah, business and family visit visas. Clashes erupt during Youth Congress march in Kannur. Protesters demanding the Chief Minister's resignation clashed with police who used water cannons to disperse the crowd. Some activities were taken into custody while others continued to protest. IPL 2025. Royal Challengers Bengaluru versus Mumbai Indians today. Mumbai Indians, led by Hardik Pandya, will face Royal Challengers Bengaluru, captained by Rajat Patidar, in the Indian Premier League 2025 at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai today at 7:30 p.m. India time. That's all for tonight. Thank you for watching. We will be back with more news tomorrow. Goodbye.